This is Raghu and his wife along with their pet kitten. He has been abandoned. He is no longer a happy man, sad, and he's become a loner. My loud, disruptive snoring has turned everyone against me. My once beloved wife berates me and seems to hate me now. She hardly gets to sleep at all because of my snoring. Damn! Including my dear wife? I love her so much. I have realized that it's my snoring that's affecting everyone around me. It's definitely a nuisance, not just to everyone else, but to me too. My snoring drove me to my physician's chamber. I knew I had to do something about it. His words mortified me. Apparently, snoring has been found responsible for a variety of medical ailments. For example, stroke, heart attack, dry mouth, lethargy, drowsiness, gastritis, lack of concentration, depression, loss of libido. Gosh, the list succeeded, never ending. His advice left me prepared. Do you know something? Sleep apnea is a common disorder in which there are one or more pauses in breathing or shallow breaths during sleep. Normally, without sleep apnea, your airways remains open. Your airway consists of your nose, mouth, throat and windpipe. This allows the flow of air and oxygen into your lungs when you inhale and the flow of carbon dioxide when you exhale. Obstructive sleep apnea can be mild to severe. Your airway may narrow or close completely. When the airway collapses a little bit, it becomes partly blocked. This makes it harder for air to pass into your lungs when you inhale. Any air that squeezes through the blockage may cause snoring. At times, the airway may become completely blocked when there is no airflow. This is called apnea. With little or no air flowing to the lungs, there is a decrease in blood oxygen levels. This signals your brain to disrupt your sleep, which helps you open the airway. Sometimes, obstructed breathing ends with a gasp. The normal breathing cycle continues until the next episode of obstruction. Episode may last seconds to minutes and recur 1 to 100 times per hour. Wow, my doctor had a simple solution for my problem. He taught me about the Desi Ace and the difference that it would make in my life. My doctor showed me the difference between sleeping with the help of the Desi Ace and sleeping without the Desi Ace, and this video is proof. Desi Ace opens the lungs and tightens the neck muscles. You can inhale and exhale easily. Now I don't snore while I sleep and hence do not disturb anyone anymore.